Hello and welcome everyone. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my link to the link in the description. So now I'm going to tell you about affiliate marketing done being done through Google Ads for ClickBank. So this is going to be dedicated video for those because I've been getting this question many of the time in the comments of my YouTube videos, so which is why I wanted to have a dedicated video on how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing with Google Ads. Okay, so in case if you want to do, there are few rules and which you need to understand before promoting your before promoting ClickBank products on Google Ads. Okay, so first thing, if you are product owner, like if you're product owner at ClickBank, you can promote it via direct ads to your landing page of the product you're selling, or a review landing page. Okay, as if you, because Google says that the product you are promoting, you need to own the landing page. Now if that is your own product, you can promote it directly because you have the rights to promote it. And the second is you can also create a review page to promote it. But in the scenarios when you are affiliate marketer, this is the most interesting part, because this is the majority of the people trying to do and get filled. When you are affiliate marketer and want to promote ClickBank products, you need to understand that you can only do it through a review landing page with certain policies in mind. Okay, okay, so I'm going to be explaining with you on this. Okay, so I will show you as well few of the things and then we can discuss on. For instance, right now if you look around on ClickBank, these are the top offers for September 2024, and you can see over here. So if you don't know, we use some tools as well, like we use Spyfu, for checking out comparator analysis. And if I'm gonna write it over there, I'm gonna see it right now. Like if I'm going to write this main keyword, I'm gonna see a lot of advertisers who are just trying to promote this product. So I just okay. So let's say I'm remove this and write this one, so we can have okay. Okay, anyways, when I was also doing search on Prodentum on Google, I found out some advertisers who are actually promoting it. Now they do not own the product and they are promoting it, and majority of the time you may see that these are affiliate links. And I'm going to show you the exact links over here. Like this is official the Penditum shop, and this is the Penditum official dot shop. So this is both of the websites, they are promoting it. And this is another advertiser. Over here you can see over here that this is a kind of a thing, they are promoting. Like this is a product page, and if you click on buy link, you can see over here that this is an, on this side you can see that this is a ClickBank link. So what they are doing is they are promoting a website through their own landing page and actually landing it to a third party page. This is how you can promote it. Okay, you need to have certain compliances done, otherwise this page won't last long. Like this kind of a page won't last long and the account will eventually get suspended. And this is another scenario where this advertiser is also promoting it on Google Ads. But you can see over here that they have added some authorities. The combination of keywords you are using, that is very important. The content you are using is very important. Whatever you claim needs to be backed up, that is also very important. And then you can see satisfaction guarantee. And if you are having these links, this is important. And in case if you can back up with the original links, that is very good. You can see the scientific references, the disclaimers the website has added, the website content, product sale. They have also said that the buy goods is a retailer, and they are actually promoting it via buy goods, not through the ClickBank. But I'm just going you the example of the Prodentum is a product being toply promoted on ClickBank. So they are mentioning it everywhere. So that is how you need to have disclaimer, you need to have a refund policy, shipping policy, privacy policy, disclaimer, terms of service, references, contact, a lot of pages to promote it. Otherwise your Google Ads account can go into suspension. So which is why it's very important. Affiliates earn thousands of dollars a day through a working product, but you need to have a very good mechanism in you need to spend money in creating a website that is being complied with the Google TOS terms of service. You cannot do any claim like lose 10 kgs in 10 days. Google will reject your ad, or something like get your teeth being whitened within 5 days. You cannot actually prove it. So there is another way, and that is to highlight the testimonials, like the case studies of people, what they have done, what the results is so far they have got, and that is, they can highlight this thing over here. You can see over here, and that is, what people are doing to highlight it right now. A recent study put out, and this thing, that is how they promote. So I'm just giving an example. Yes, if you ask me in general, can you do affiliate marketing with the ClickBank products and Google Ads? Yes, you can do. Do you need a landing page? Yes, you need a landing page, or a YouTube video. So you can also promote it with a YouTube review video as well. This is a point I forgot, and you can also do it through the YouTube review video as well. So these are the things, which I wanted to share with you. I hope you like this. But in case if you still need a professional help with Google Ads audit, setup, management, ads, disapproval, or account suspension, me and my team can help it. So all you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and I will look forward to working with you. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well, and press the bell icon so that whenever I get a new video, guys get a notification accordingly. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.